In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate shapes in Microsoft PowerPoint, a skill that can really make your presentation stand out. Whether you're aiming to add a creative touch or adjust the layout for better clarity, rotating shapes is a simple but effective technique. Let's start by opening Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. If you haven't already opened the program, go ahead and do that now. Once PowerPoint is up and running, navigate to the specific presentation you want to modify. You can either open an existing file or create a new presentation. This step is crucial because it sets the stage for all the adjustments you'll be making. Now, let's move on to the shape you want to rotate. Find the slide that contains your shape or insert the shape you want to work with. To do this, click on the Insert tab in the menu bar at the top of the screen. Choose Shapes and then select the shape that fits your needs. Once your shape is inserted into the slide, click on it to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see a border with small circles or squares around the shape. These are known as handles. This is where the magic starts to happen. Once you've selected your shape, you're ready to rotate it. Look for a small circular arrow at the top of the shape. This rotating arrow is your tool for adjusting the angle of the shape. Click and hold the arrow, and as you move your mouse, you'll see the shape begin to rotate. You can rotate it to the left or right, allowing for 360-degree customization. Experiment with different angles to find the perfect fit for your presentation's aesthetic or informational needs. While it might seem simple, making precise adjustments can significantly impact how your overall slide looks. For smaller, more accurate rotations, you can also use the Format tab, which appears when your shape is selected. In this tab, you can specify exact angles for rotation. Just look for the Rotate option and select More Rotation options, where you can enter the exact degree of rotation. Incorporating rotating shapes into your presentations can enhance visual interest and improve the flow of information. Whether you're making a diagram more dynamic or simply aligning elements for a cohesive look, this function opens up numerous design possibilities. And there you have it. With these steps, you're now equipped to rotate shapes in Microsoft PowerPoint, adding that extra layer of professionalism to your work. Keep exploring and experimenting with different rotations to see what best suits your slides.